So the NHSC stands for the National Health Service Corps. Okay, so it is a government-funded and backed organization, supplies medical providers significant monetary incentive, typically incentivizes them either on the front end with a scholarship to go through their schooling or on the back end with loan repayment. At the end of the day, the provider's responsibility is then to work at one of the sites that qualifies. So there's two main ways that providers can be involved. First of which is actually what I was involved in, which is the National Health Service Corps Scholarship Program. Receive a scholarship while you're in school, and then you know that after your training, in my instance, after my residency, I would serve a number of years corresponding with the number of years that I received a scholarship at a approved site. So many of the Hopscotch sites qualify as an approved site. Similarly, you can utilize the National Health Service Corps benefits through a loan repayment program. So you can work at one of the Hopscotch approved sites and then apply to the program and receive loan repayment in a pretty substantial sum. I've known numerous other providers who've benefited from it greatly and really helped to cut down on the amount of student loan debt that you have. Someone in the scholarship program has made a promise to fulfill a year service for a year paid. For the loan repayment, it's a little bit different. You agree to a 2-year term initially, and then you sign on for 1-year terms after that. So many people are working at the programs and they don't even realize that it's a benefit to them. So I encourage everyone at a site to apply for it if they have any amount of student loan debt. Hopscotch would be a sweet gig, okay? A lot of the places that you can work for a National Health Service Corps are extremely rural. Most of them are federally qualified health systems, which can be difficult places to work. I live 40 minutes from Asheville because I choose to live in Marion, which is great for me, but you could easily live in Asheville and work in Marion, you know? And there's not too many places in the country that offer that as sites that qualify. Hopscotch typically has much better benefits, much better pay. The locations, I think, are more favorable. So I think that Hopscotch as a whole is a really unique situation for people who want to get the benefit of the National Health Service Corps program.